Welcome to our roundup of the best e-bike batteries available right now. Whether you're upgrading your current e-bike or replacing an old pack, a powerful battery can make all the difference in performance, range, and overall riding experience. We've selected 5 top-rated e-bike batteries that combine efficiency, durability, and safety, perfect for commuters, adventurers, and enthusiasts alike. We'll break down each model's key strengths to help you choose the right one for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's get started. The first on the list is the AliExpress Power EP2 Pro battery. This high-performance battery delivers a 48-volt 15 amp-hour capacity, providing excellent mileage for long-distance rides and steep terrains. It's built with premium lithium-ion cells for consistent energy output and stable acceleration. The Smart Battery Management System, BMS, protects against overcharge, short circuit, and overheating, ensuring long life and safe use. Its aluminum casing offers durability and efficient heat dissipation. Installation is simple, thanks to the standard connector design, making it compatible with most e-bikes. The quick charge function reduces downtime, letting you recharge faster between trips. With its lightweight build, long range, and reliable performance, the EP2 Pro is an excellent choice for riders who want both power and endurance. Overall, it's a dependable battery that enhances your ride's speed, range, and efficiency. Next up is the Hailong Poly 21700 battery, a powerhouse made for riders who need exceptional range and strength. Using advanced 21,700 cells, it provides a 52-volt 20 amp-hour capacity, giving your e-bike higher torque and longer rides. Its BMS protection circuit ensures stable energy output and prevents overdischarge, making every trip safer. The rugged polycarbonate shell offers solid protection from impact, dust, and light rain, while the lockable rail mount makes it easy to attach or remove securely. The built-in LED indicator lets you track battery levels quickly. With long-distance capability, durable construction, and advanced cell technology, the Hailong Poly 21700 is perfect for riders who want dependable, high-powered performance for daily commuting or adventurous trails. Overall, it's a premium upgrade that balances efficiency and durability beautifully. Next, we have the AliExpress Power H20 battery, designed for riders seeking extended range and convenience. This model offers a 48-volt 20 amp-hour capacity, delivering impressive performance for long commutes. The Smart BMS system ensures balanced charging, overcurrent protection, and deep discharge prevention, extending the battery's lifespan. Its metal casing keeps the battery cool and protected from vibration or impact. The compact shape makes it ideal for folding e-bikes, and its fast charging capability minimizes waiting time. Even at low charge, it maintains steady power output for smooth rides. The LED power indicator keeps you informed, while the lightweight design improves portability. Overall, the AliExpress Power H20 offers an excellent blend of power, safety, and ease of use. A great pick for riders who value consistency and performance. Coming up next is the Cheddar Dolly Hailong Li-ion battery, a reliable mid-range option that delivers solid performance at an affordable price. It provides 48 volts of steady output, ideal for casual or daily riders. The integrated safety management system prevents overheating, overcharging, and voltage drops, ensuring safe operation. This battery is compatible with most standard Hailong cases, making it a great replacement or upgrade option. Its durable exterior shell protects against shocks, water, and dust, while maintaining stability during rides. The consistent discharge rate ensures smooth acceleration without sudden power loss. While it's not the most powerful model, it offers dependable performance, good build quality, and strong value for money. Overall, the Cheddar Dolly Hailong is a practical choice for everyday commuters who need reliability without overspending. The last one on our list is the AliExpress Power Folding Battery, built for compact and lightweight e-bikes. Despite its small size, it features a 36-volt 15 amp-hour capacity, offering an impressive mix of portability and range. The advanced BMS protection maintains safe and stable energy flow, preventing issues like overheating or overcurrent. Its reinforced aluminum housing provides toughness without adding bulk, and the quick charging support means less waiting and more riding. Designed for easy installation, it's compatible with most folding e-bike models. The steady voltage output ensures smooth acceleration and consistent speed across different terrains. Lightweight yet powerful, this battery is perfect for city riders and travelers who need a portable energy solution. Overall, the AliExpress Power Folding Battery is an efficient, durable, and easy-to-carry option that delivers reliable power wherever you go. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best e-bike batteries available today. Whether you're after maximum range, compact design, or everyday reliability, each of these batteries brings strong performance and safety to your ride. If this video helped you, Please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe and stay charged.